Now let us see some feminine singular plural words. Okay, according to the 4 rules, we have to change these words into plural form. Okay, see here, ladki, ladkiya. Okay, ladki, ladkiya. Here girl, girls. Okay, in English we can say it as girl, girls. Roti, rotiya. Okay, roti, rotiya. Rani. Okay, Rani, Raniya, Raniya. Okay, prince, princess. Okay, then gali, gali, galiya, gali, galiya. Street, streets. Nadi, nadiya. River, rivers. Okay, raat, rate. Okay, rate. Night, nights. Okay, kalam, kalame. Kalam, kalame. Okay, this is pen, pens. Kitab, kitabe. Book, books. Okay, book, books. These all also comes under in feminine, and we are changing this singular into plural. Tasveer, tasveere. Okay, picture, pictures. Okay, bahan, bahane. Sister, sisters. Okay, see, ladki, ladkiya. Okay, roti. See, we have to see here the chandra bindu. Ya, 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 ya. Here it's end with e, a. The rules are following this: a, a. Okay, raat, rate, like that. Now we can go to the next one. Lada, lada, ladaye. Okay, lada, ladaye. Dukan, dukane. Aank, aanke. Sadak, sadake. Okay, sadak, sadake. Road, roads. Eyes. Shop, shops, like that. Here mala, malaye. Gai, gaye. Gai means cow. Okay, gai means cow. Here gai, cow, cows. Okay, kalam, kalame. Okay, budiya, budiya. Chidiya, chidiya. Okay, see here, we have to put chandra bindu, and these type of words we have to put bindu. Then only we can call it as in plural form. Okay, like that. See, once again I am explaining you. See, the words ending with e sound here changes into ya. Okay, a, short sound a. Okay, the 4 rules have to be followed while writing the plural format of feminine. Okay, then ladki, ladkiya. Roti, rotiya. Rani, raniya. Gali, galiya. Nadi, nadiya. Raat, rate. Kalam, kalame. Okay, then kitab, kitabe. Tasveer, tasveere. Bahan, bahane. Okay, now here see, lada, ladaye. Okay, dukan, dukane. Aank, aanke. Sadak, sadake. Kala, kalaye. Okay, mala, malaye. Gai, gaye. Then kalam, kalame. Budiya, budiya. Chidiya, chidiyam. Okay, we have seen the examples and rules about singular plural in feminine and masculine. I hope you understand.